Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to do zoom effect in Instagram story. Let's start. So, if you want to be interesting, I guess when you're posting your stories, there's tons of way to make it interactive or, just being creative. Aside from, making like or adding a lot of effects, there's like options like stickers and, adding like questions. And, you can definitely, subscribe to our channel to learn more about Instagram, particularly on Instagram stories and Instagram ads. So today I will show you just to have some fun with your story. So let's do that. So from your home or from your Instagram account, so say for example, I'm just using this sample account, guys. It's basically a startup, a small business just for work from home. But I'll just make this, really interesting for you because our character today is a very interesting little pig. Yeah, okay. So now we're going to teach you how to do a zoom effect for Instagram story. So you need to work on like if it's gonna be using your phone, guys, of course you're gonna be using two thumbs or your two hands actually because your whichever hand you're gonna be using to hold the button or the circle at the bottom part of the page for the story. So you need to pinch the um you're using two fingers, your forefinger and then your thumb, just to do the zoom effect. And once you have that, you can do that. And this is the effect that you could see, wherein you could zoom in to your character or to your subject on your Instagram story. Okay. And then from here, you could definitely like, if you want to add this one, if you want to add some effects, you could definitely do that. So say for example, I will have this cute hearts. And if you want to add music, you could do that as well. Okay? So I guess that's it. I hope you liked the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.